Welcome back. In this video, we'll design the Core Surge logo with a striking icon above the text, a lightning bolt wrapped in a half-circle swoosh, accented by leaves. Let's break down each element and create this dynamic logo step by step.
Until tomorrow, it's fading now. I don't know why you're young and wild. There's still our eyes on you, they're watching over. Keep your composure, be your